iniinda kang sakit na gusto mo ng agarang lunas. Tigil na po muna sa kakainom ng mga tableta at baka time mo ay masira. Blower na panlunas nasa Pilipinas na. Ating alamin ang buong kaganapan sa balita ni Von Baruel.
Ang iTeracare Health Therapy Device na sinasabing kabilang sa top 10 most advanced technology ng mundo. Kung iyong mamasdan, mistulang blower lamang ng buhok pero lingid sa kaalaman ng marami. Mayroon itong terahertz frequency, quantum technology at optical quartz light technology na kayang pumuksa ng anumang uri ng sakit sa iyong katawan.
So I tried the product. So dito lumit yung mukha ko. If you check yung first episode ko sa Pinoy Legal Minds, palaki yung mukha ko but ni-spray ko dito, blow ko dito, lumit yung mukha ko. Di ba? You know, as a lawyer, dami tayong trabaho. So, I read books, I read cases, and in-spray ko sa ulo ko, spray ko sa katawan ko, nawala yung mga stress natin, and nawala yung mga problem. Then parang relax, parang nag-spa ka everyday.
Sobrang thankful kami kasi and we're so blessed kasi itong product na to dumating sa Philippines. Ang daming matutulungan at right now, hindi lang siya kwento, nangyayari na siya. So I'm encouraging everyone na pag nakita niyo itong product na to, huwag niyong papakawalan kasi importante talaga sa lahat ng bahay ngayon, merong iTeracare.
Well, basically the machine itself, what it does, it throws in yung terahertz, which is meron nga siyang terahertz, meron siyang scalar energy, and of course meron siya ng optical quartz. So, ang pinakaginagawa nito sa body natin, it actually activates yung mga tulog na cells at saka yung weakened cells, ina-activate, ina-charge niya. So it literally fights whatever disease we have because our body is capable of healing itself. Yun po yung pinaka-secret dito. So the machine supports the body, helps it out, and that is why we have so many results and testimonies of the product.
Ang radiant energy na ibinubuga ng iTeracare Therapy Device ay kayang tumagos sa iyong balat, internal organs maging sa iyong mga buto. Nasa may lalim ito na 20 hanggang 30 sentimetro upang ayusin ang mga baradong ugat at mapaganda ang daloy ng dugo sa katawan.
I tried the product last quarter of last year. And it has worked so many wonders for me and for my family. Sometimes magiging skeptic you will have doubts But once you use it and try it, I use it for my family, for myself, and for, sports injuries. Talagang grabe siya, it's so amazing.
The first time I tried it, I spent 30 minutes blowing my body. The next day, I did not feel anything whatsoever. And for the next 3 weeks while in Baguio, even if I was walking the whole time, when I go home, no pain whatsoever. I'm able to sleep very well. So when I came back to Manila, I secured my own iTera.
Hindi lamang sakit ang kayang alisin ng blower, tinatanggal din ito maging ang mga sobrang taba mo sa katawan na hindi naaalis ng ehersisyo.
In fact, just yesterday, I saw somebody who I did not recognize her at all because I saw her at an event. And the first time, she had to introduce herself to me because she had lost so much weight. And I asked her, what happened? And she said because of this particular product. She used it specifically to lose weight.
Titiyak ni Dr. Steven Lai, presidente ng Prive International, na ligtas gamitin sa katawan ang naturang produkto. Bukod sa kilala ito sa higit 50 bansa, certified approved din sa mga kinauukulang ahensya.
The insurance company insured us $1 million and we give 1 year warranty and we have all the proven document to prove that this product is safe by the very famous authority. We can show you all the soft copy. This is very important. And the important thing, 1.5 years everybody use the product. They are very astonished. They are very excited about the effective. If the product speaks by itself.
I'm inviting everyone to please try. You really have to experience this amazing product. This is the first in the world, okay? We're just so blessed na finally meron ng ganito sa Pilipinas. Kung ano man yung nararamdaman mo, lalo na kung na-stress ka, okay? We're just gonna blow it away.
Ano pang hinihintay mo? Doon sa ligtas at dekalidad. Bumili na so that you can blow your problems away with iTeracare. Para sa Pilipinas kong mahal, Von Baruel, SMNI News.